So today I will show you how to fix rough idle on my Mazda 6 2002. It should also work on some Ford engines and obviously other Mazda's engines. So the issue I'm having is the idle is very rough and sometimes it even stalls. So the issue these engines have is that the PCV hose, which is underneath the intake manifold, tends to crack. And to check if your hose is cracked without removing the intake manifold first is turn on your engine and let it run. While it runs, I'm using cockpit cleaner. You can use any other kind of spray and simply spray beneath the intake manifold. I think the best way to try to spray it is right through here or right through there, and for a few seconds it will start to run smooth again. So if this happens, your PCV hose is cracked and you need to replace it. So the first step is to disconnect the battery, as you will disconnect some wires from the intake manifold. Then we're going to remove the throttle body and all of this wiring and harness. There's also this one. This is a tricky one. In order to remove this hose, you need to pull it out while pressing this down, and then you can remove it. So here's the throttle body removed, and since you're here you can also clean it up. As I've read, dirty throttle body can also cause rough idle issues, so make sure to check that. Now, since we have the throttle body out of the way and everything else, there are in total 8 screws that you need to remove in order to get the intake manifold out of the way. So there are 7 bolts on the top, 2 long bolts near the throttle body, one at the top, one at the bottom. So 2 near the throttle body, 3rd and the 4th are right there. Here's the 3rd, and another one is right beneath him. I don't think you can see him, but he's there. 5th bolt is probably the hardest one. You can only reach him from this hole right here. Just be careful because I lost all of my extensions there. Next bolt is right here, and one right there. I don't think you can see it, but it's there somewhere. There it is. I hope you can see it. So 7 at the top and 1 is at the bottom. So here is the bottom bolt, which you need to unscrew as well. So here it is. Here's the PCV valve, and here is the PCV hose, which in my case is gone. So I'll need to find the replacement. And yeah. Also, while you're at it, you can make sure to clean everything up. And you can also clean the intake manifold. Okay, so if you're planning to leave this open overnight, make sure to cover everything up to prevent dust, or in my case, cats getting in. There are a lot of cats in my driveway. Now on to hooking it up. Okay, it's all hooked now. Not sure if you can see it. There it is. Now the hose that I used is not the original replacement part, and I do not suggest anyone do that. I suggest you find the original replacement hose, as it is meant to be there.